Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to transfer money from Wise to Peppermint Bizmoto. So if you want to do this, first of all, you need a verified account on Wise. And if you don't have any idea how to do that, search on my page for how to verify your account on Wise, and then you will find that video. Then after that, we click right here on send, and then we search right here for the Philippines, because I'm doing this example with the Philippines, but not every country has the option to do e-wallet, and we need e-wallet to send money to Peppermint Bizmoto. So we fill right here, for example, 100 euros, and then we do right here add recipients. Then we click right here on e-wallet, and then from here we do someone else. You can also send it to yourself, click then on myself. Then after that, we fill in right here their email. Then we fill in right here full name of the account holder. And then we select right here the wallet provider. And if you scroll down, you will find right here the option Peppermint Bizmoto. So we select that one. Then after this, we fill in right here the e-wallet number of our recipient. And that is very important. Do this correctly. And then fill in the city from that person. Then we do next. And then he will send you to the review page. I'm not having an account on Peppermint Bizmoto, so I can show you all these steps after this, but he will send you to a review page where you need to check your details and do the following steps. Then after that, he will send you to the pay page, and there you can do your payment. So this is what you need to know to transfer money from Wise to Peppermint Bizmoto. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.